All right, here we are. We're assembling double rainbow figure number 52. The first thing I'll do here is use this piece. You're going to fold under here and under here. And you'll see once you fold it that there are glue areas. So we're going to put a little bit of glue. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, right there. This is the double rainbow piece. This is the piece that bends. You can see they're little scores. There's a score right here, a score here on the white, score here, a score on the orange, red, and magenta. So once this piece glues down, you get it nice and glued. Those score areas are that's the area of the paper that's gluing down. All right. This is how the piece looks once it's glued. You want to sort of pre-fold some of those scores. Just a bit, just so that when the paper starts to bend, it starts moving in the right direction. Okay. And pre-score the white folds. Pre-fold those just a little bit. Just a touch. There you go. And you can see what's starting to happen here. Get that bend that direction. And these pieces bend in that direction. Okay. There you go. All right, now that you have this piece glued, I'm going to fold this piece. And this piece is a nice, simple little piece. And what we have here are the basic 90-degree folds. And I like to use a tool for pushing these back. This is something I do with young children, and this sometimes is the hardest part for them is to understand this one little move. But when this is folded as a mountain fold, the idea is just to push these pieces down and send that center fold in the opposite direction. There it goes. There you go. And these are just simple little angle or 90-degree parallel folds, but they make a nice little effect, don't they? Especially when we add the color. All right, so you have 1, 2, 3 pieces. All right, these are glued. Everything's good and solid. What we're going to do here, you have on the base page 1, 2, 3, 4 slots in the page. The center fold's there. The second slot here, we're going to put this piece of paper through the slot, all right, and then back through on this side. Okay, comes out like this, and this piece of paper moves. And then we'll slot that into the slot on the other side of this center fold. Come on. There you go. Pushed it from behind over here to get it to go. All right. And at the same time, this piece slots into the same slot. Okay, so you have 2 tabs going in the same slot. Okay, go to the back. I'm going to glue 1 tab to the other tab, then glue them both to the back side of the base page. Okay. Let those glue nice and tight. Okay. Then I'm going to glue this piece in position. So you put a little bit of glue on the underside of these 2 tabs. And as usual, I like to glue everything together closed. So we're going to let this piece slide up together. try not to let this strap piece bend. The only place it should bend is on the score itself. Okay, so you see everything's in place there. See what's happening. Glue those in place. The spread is closed, so you know for certain that this piece will pop up in the proper position. There it is. All right. Now we're going to attach this piece, which I pre-folded. And this piece just goes on and glues on the underside of this piece. Okay, you can put it right against the fold. It doesn't have to be completely snug against the fold, but that's close enough. Once again, you're gluing it to the underside of the double rainbow piece. Okay, just like that. All right. Now the next thing we do is put this tab into the outside slot here. This pretty much sets the position of this entire piece. All right, a little bit of glue here. Get that in place. Get it nice and glued, get some good fiber bond going there. And finally, I'm going to put glue on the underside of this piece right here. You see the glue area. And here, what I'm going to do is, instead of gluing it open, which I mention often, I'm going to set it in place, but glue the final gluing once the piece is positioned flat. And you can see what happens there. Everything lays down flat, and that final glue area will find its proper position on its own. Get that good and glued down for about 30 seconds. Put some weight on it. Let's go ahead and do the cover while we're waiting for that to dry. Small amount of glue on the cover piece here. Fold that over. And here's double rainbow. Let's see. Yep, there it is. There it is, it works. So you want to be certain that each one of these areas here, on each one of these straps, the bowed straps, the bent pieces of paper, that these areas are glued down nicely, and that score, that fold, is nice and loose. And that will allow the paper to bend the way we like it to bend. So some pop-ups, we use paper as structural strength, and in some pop-ups we use paper to show the flexibility of paper. So this paper is nice and flexible, it's bending nicely. There you go, double rainbow.